Hey everybody, Alan Peterson here with IamNirvana.com, and here I'm at my blog at IamNirvana.com, and I've just picked up a new plugin which is incredibly awesome and one that I highly recommend that you get for your blogs, and not just for your personal blog or your business blog like mine here at IamNirvana.com, but I have a lot of niche sites. And I use WordPress for them. So this works on all your WordPress sites, obviously, not just your blogs. But basically, it's called Subscribers Magnet, and it's a great plugin. It's not a free plugin, but it's worth every penny because it's going to let you get a lot more subscribers. We all know the saying, the money's in the list. It is true. So this is a good way of building your list, which then of course you're gonna have to take care of. But that's a whole different that's a whole different thing. But to build a list, this is a phenomenal plugin, and this was a problem that I was having with my blog. So as you can see, right here I had my newsletter. This was my opt-in form. And I don't know why I did this. I read this somewhere that this was effective, but it really isn't because the opt-ins here on my from this right here is very bad. And so basically what I was doing is I was having people, I would tell them enter your name and email address below to receive see details, and then I was sending them to this page where you would have to then read all this stuff, because I was offering these free ebooks. And then here finally they would have to come in and sign up for it. And so that's a problem. That's one of the reasons why I wasn't getting my opt-ins from this sidebar widget wasn't very effective. Then I started to do adding the sidebar to the actual post. Now this is where I get most of my opt-ins from each post. But I had to use different plugins to accomplish that, and there were plugins that really weren't designed for that. But I was just able to do it using it. And so now I've discovered Subscribers Magnet, which is an awesome plugin that's going to change all this for me. And so I've purchased it. I'm going to install it, and I'm going to show you in this video because I really want you to see this, and I really recommend that you get it. At the very least, click on the link below in order to look at the video on the Subscriber Magnet sales page, because it walks you through the whole process. It's about a 10-15 minute video, but it's worth for you to watch it. But in my video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how easy it is to install it, just like any plugin, and how to set up your web form so you can start building your list on your WordPress blogs and your WordPress powered sites. So I'm going to go ahead and show that to you here in just a second. Installing Subscribers Magnet is a piece of cake, just like any plugin with WordPress. All you need to do is just go to the plugins section and then just click on New right over here. Click on Add New. And once you order the plugin and it's on your computer, all you need to do is click on the upload function here, and then just browse to it where it's at on your computer, and then install it. So here we go. You need to leave it as a zip file. So I'll go ahead and click open. So as you can see now it's on here, and we just need to click on install now. And it should only take a few seconds for it to install. It's doing its magic right now. So unpacking the package, installing the plugin installed successfully. So it has been installed. So now we just need to activate the plugin, and that'll take a few seconds as well. And that is it. It has now been activated. So once the plugin has been activated, we just go here to the tools section, and you'll see the Subscribers Magnet. So you click on that, and that's going to be basically the admin section for the plugin. So here's where you can do the form autofiller, subscriber comments, putting a pop-in, the footer bar, all the good stuff that this plugin does. So we need to add our opt-in form. So click on opt-in form adder, and then just see the form has been added yet. We just click on add new form. And it's pretty straightforward pretty straightforward process here. We just need to copy and paste our opt-in form code, and as you can see here, it says to avoid using the custom JavaScript. And so what we need to do then is just copy and paste our code here, and it doesn't matter what autoresponder you're using, it's going to provide you with the code where you can add your opt-in form to your website. And so I use Aweber, and so basically what you do is you log into your Aweber account, click on Web Forms, select the web web form that you've created that you want to use, and then go over to Publish, and then click on I will install my form. And as you can see, you have two options. You have the JavaScript snippet, and you also have the raw HTML version, and that's what we want. Because if you remember from the plugin, it said avoid using custom JavaScript and other form design code. So we want to use raw HTML. So click on that because it defaults to show you the JavaScript snippet code. So click on raw HTML, and as you can see, here is the code. So all you need to do is select it and copy it, Control C or whatever, just copy it, and then go back to your plugin and then paste it here. And it says your opt-in form name. It will not be displayed public use. It doesn't matter what you call it. I'll just call it for my blog. And then it's got this detect the forms. We'll click on that. And autoresponder detected Aweber. So everything's looking groovy. So let's go to the next step. And here it is. And now here is where we're going to design our form right from here, right from our WordPress dashboard. As you can see, here is the live preview up here. So, you know, if you want to change this here, say you want to change the color. And you want to make this bigger. And center it. Let's update preview. And as you can see there, it's automatically updated. So this lets you see this. This lets you really design your opt-in form exactly how you want it and to make it the most effective as possible. So this is really cool. Aweber has design forms now, but it's not as slick as this to get your design looking pretty sweet. You can also change the subscription button. So for example, join my newsletter. As you can see, it's updating it in real time. If I can spell. So as you can see, that changes it automatically. You also have more formatting. You can change the color, you can change the border, you can change the text color, the whole 9 yards. A lot of things you can do in here. You have a lot other things here, like for the body text. So this was the headline, obviously, and then same thing here. Change to whatever. Let's update. As you can see, so you want to center that. Update. Boom. And as you can see, you can add images. You can insert an image in here by URL or whatever, and it'll automatically add it here. You can even add do HTML. So if you're proficient with HTML, you can just copy and paste your HTML code that you want for your form. And it kind of goes on and on. You can change. You can add them more customization. You can change the textbook formatting, the width, the background color. You can change the footer text, the whole 9 yards. Total customization that you'll be able to do. You can then move on to the opt-in form placement. If you want to display in the RSS feed, which I recommend, within a post, so you can have it show in your actual post, and you can do them in all, or it's all written here on which one you want it to display. You can also have it displayed within a single post, and then you can position it at the top or the bottom, and then you can also do it from the top of the first post, the bottom, a whole bunch of different things that you can do, as well as the sidebar widget if you want to put this on the sidebar as well, which is highly recommended. And that's if you look at most sites, they have the opt-in box on the side that's where you want to put it in there as well. You just need to use the WordPress widgets function for that, which is very easy. All right, so once you drop it on drop the widget in there for the subscriber magnet, you click save, and then you can put whatever title you want. For example, for example purposes here, I'll just put newsletter, and then you added forms. I only have the blog one that I already showed you how earlier in this video. Just select that, and you get to have a preview of it, the whole 9 yards. Click save. And then if we go to my site, you're going to see it there. Let me hit. It's not here yet, so let me hit refresh. And so as you can see, just by adding that widget, here it is. Now, obviously, I'm going to have to tweak this because it's overlapping. And as I showed you earlier in the video, it's very easy to change the width and the height and all that stuff, and the color so it matches. So I'm going to work on this obviously to make it fit here nicely. But as you can see, it's very easy to add, and so this is what I'm going to end up putting right up here to replace this widget that I've had here for a long time. And by doing this, I am expecting my subscriptions to go way up. So I highly recommend this plugin. Click on the link below. Go check out it. Go check out the sales page with information on it. The creator also has his own video on there, which walks you through the process with more detail as well. But I highly recommend this. This is a great plugin. The product comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can kick the tires. Because as I said, it's not a free plugin, but it's worth every penny. I highly recommend this, and so click on the link below and go check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.